I hope you like this color. It makes your eyes pop. My best makeover. Wanted some freckles? I'll give you freckles. Huh? They're coming. Uh-oh.
Sammy, hurry. Barbie's been waiting for ages.
I'm right here and ready to play with Barbie.
Awesome. Then we can… Oh no! What's happened?
Barbie, I can't believe my eyes. Who did it to you? Your dress is ruined. And wait, are those stickers in your hair? Oh no! What kind of evil makeover is this?
Wait a second.
I see they liked my surprise.
Thought so, but I have a plan. Don't worry, Sammy. We'll fix everything.
Yippee!
Well, my dear, ready for the real makeover? First of all, let's get rid of this dress. It's ruined, and we can't save it. No need to be sad. Your new outfit will slay. I don't think these stickers will fit your new vibe, so let me just remove them. One more here. Whoa! Why do you have so many on your legs? They look kinda cute. That's true, but they're not fancy enough for a princess. You even have some in your hair. Bad idea. Much better. Now let's wash your pretty face.
It was somewhere here. I know it for sure.
What are you looking for?
Do you really need to ask? My magic wand, of course. It'll help us do the cleaning.
Seriously? A magic wand? This is what will help us. Let's get down to work. Some toothpaste. Ready, steady, go! You literally glow. That's how clean you're gonna be. Just a little bit more. Ta-da! Much better. You are such a beauty.
I found it! This note will help us nail the makeover.
Great! What does it say?
After washing her face, we gotta bathe Barbie.
Got it! It's bathing time. Good thing I have this pretty bathtub. And it's pink. Next, I'll add some warm water.
Are you sure the water temperature is okay? We can't risk it.
Don't worry, Sammy. I've checked it twice.
Yeah, the water is very nice. So relaxing.
Good to hear. Then let's add some water. You know, warm water relaxes your muscles and calms your body.
Cindy, we almost forgot the main ingredient. Fragrant bath foam.
Oh, right.
The more bubbles, the better. Whoops. Oh no, it's a disaster!
Wow, never seen so much foam. Sammy, Barbie? It's so pretty and fun to play with. Hold up, Barbie! Hold on, I'll save you. Come on, where are you? Aha, gotcha! I'm so glad you're okay, Barbie. Just look at you. You're squeaky clean. All is well that ends well. Whoops, I forgot about Sammy.
Yes, I'm right here. Thanks for saving me, Cindy. Let's see. Sorry to say, but your hair does not look good. Can we save it, Cindy?
I'm not sure. I think we'll figure it out after we dry it. Okay, now that your hair is dry, let's try to style it.
Make sure you do your best. Barbie gotta shine.
I know what I'm doing, Sammy. Ta-da! What do you think?
Cindy, what is it? Cindy, this is legit hilarious.
Do you think it's easy or what?
Cindy, watch and learn. Aha, nice. Oh, one more strand. It'll go here. Voila! Amazing, right? Because I'm a pro.
Sammy, are you pranking me? It's horrible. I want new hair. Master Sammy, let me fix everything. Honestly, the easiest way is just to cut it. Just a bit more on the right. Almost there. Snip, snip. I don't think we gotta keep it.
Cindy, here it is.
Thanks. That's just what we need. Works even better than I thought. I don't think blue will really level up your look.
Cindy, look at how this color matches my skin tone.
Right, and it matches my hair too. But this is Barbie's new hair. I bet she'll look great.
By the way, Cindy, what if we... Holy cannoli! She looks amazing! And her hair is so shiny!
Yeah, this long hair is part of her princess hairstyle.
Huh? She's gonna have her hair done?
Exactly. I've got an awesome hairstyle idea. I'm gonna start with 2 small braids. I think we should jazz them up with these cute hair clips.
Cindy, I've been wondering, what's inside this case? It looks so mysterious. There must be something cool inside. 3, 2...
You are too curious for your own good, Sammy.
Cindy, look! I've repaired Barbie's old dress. Can we use it again?
Seriously? Do you think this is a princessy dress? I've got a better idea. All it needs is a quick restyle. Some tweaking, and it will look perfect. I'll make these tiny cutouts for the arms. Oh, come on, it's the right side. Why wouldn't it fit?
A balloon dress. Yep, everything's correct. Keep going.
I've got an idea to make this look even cooler. Aw, I knew I'd make the dress even cuter. Now all you need is a fluffy skirt.
Whoa, Barbie looks like a fairy princess.
I did my best.
But Cindy, where are her shoes?
Uh-oh. I forgot about shoes, but that's not a problem. We'll make the prettiest sparkly little shoes for our Barbie. Check her out! She's looking so stylish, and the shoes are fire! We are almost done here. Just gotta add some accessories. A sparkly necklace. A pretty bracelet. And the star of the show, fairy wings.
Cindy, will you reveal your secret now? What's in this case?
Sure, Sammy. It's showtime! Ta-da! It is my favorite creative kit. We'll definitely need it today. Look at all these colors.
Wow! It's the most wonderful, the brightest creative kit I've ever seen. Am I dreaming?
You are not, Sammy. Let me prove it. We'll make your eyes even more expressive. Some glitter on your lips will make you look magical. Can't skip the nails. Here's a fairy princess. I've been dreaming of playing with her for so long. Whew, she can fly, too.
Wow! I want to fly like a fairy princess too! Woohoo! And I can! I'm a fairy too! Woohoo!
Did you like our makeover, guys? Then give this video a like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye, friends! See you soon! Gotta fly now!
Maybe I should work on my joke telling.
Let's play.
Oh, wow! This is the biggest tent in the world! Another clown. Hello. Oh, you don't look very happy. What's your name? Why won't he talk to me? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. Some clowns don't speak. Instead of speaking, they act things out instead. He must be a non-talking clown. I just need him to act out what he wants to say. Right, here goes. So what's the matter, Mr. Clown? Oh, bless you. Nasty cold you've got there. Oh, you have a cold. Oh, no thanks. Wow, amazing. Where are you going? To bed? But where am I going? Oh no, I need to find someone who's in charge.
Let's play.
Maybe this chap can help. Hello, plan is Rebecca.
Ah, you must be the replacement clown. Couldn't believe it when Wizzo got a cold. And today of all days.
What's so special about today?
Today is the day that the circus will close down unless we put on a fantastic show and get people to start coming back.
Right.
So, we're relying on you and Coco to put on an amazing, a brilliant, a spectacular show. We're relying on you two to save the circus.
No pressure then.
So, what are you waiting for? You need to rehearse.
Oh, yes, of course. Rehearse. Right, let's save the circus.
Let's play.
I need to find Coco the clown. Oh, this might be him. Coco?
No thanks, I just add one.
No, I meant, is your name Coco?
Yes, I know, never mind. Who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm here to help you with the show tonight.
Great! Have you been a clown a long time?
About 10 minutes.
Right, then I need to teach you some tricks.
I'm all ears and a funny nose.
First, I'm going to show you a balloon trick. Ta-da!
Oh, wow, this is great. Can I try?
Best of luck.
Hey, where'd it go?
I think you need some practice. But first, let me show you the hat trick. If I may borrow your hat. Okay, you take the hat like this. Then you put it down on the floor like this. Then you step away from the hat. Now, you try and pick it up.
This should be easy. Hey, what happened?
It's attached to invisible wire.
I can't see anything.
Right, that's kind of the point. Excuse me?
This is exciting. I'm learning loads of great clown tricks. Oh, what do we do with that?
So, I walk around and every time I turn around, you duck so he misses you. Oh! I think we better practice all of this.
I think you're right.
Let's play. Let's play.
It's time for the show. Oh, I'm so nervous. Where's Coco?
Make way coming through. Ah, Rebecca, are you ready for the big performance?
I don't know. I'm a bit scared.
Don't be scared. Be yourself. No, don't be yourself. Be a clown. A good one. Because remember, if the audience don't like the show, then no one will come to see it. Then the circus will close and we'll all be out of a job.
Thanks. I don't feel nervous at all now. Oh, Mummy.
Right, the show is about to begin.
Hold on. Coco isn't here yet.
Well, you'll have to do something on your own.
But I can't. I don't know any tricks on my own.
Well, you'll think of something. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our magnificent circus.
Oh. Coco, at last. Come on, we're on.
How do I look?
Oh, great. Oh, where's your bow tie?
Ah, my tie. I forgot to put it on. I'll go and get it.
No, wait, Coco, come back.
And now, it's time for our spectacular clown act. It's Coco and Rebecca.
Oh, no. I'm going to have to go on by myself. Wish me luck.
Here they are. It's Coco and it's Rebecca, the clown.
Hi. Hello.
I knew it was going to be rubbish.
What are you waiting for?
Come on, Rebecca. Do something funny. Come along now, Rebecca. You can do it.
What trick can I do? I have nothing. Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Clowns often pretend to be clumsy and fall over. They make people laugh by putting one foot behind the other and pretend to trip up. That's what I could do. Right, here goes. It worked. They liked it.
That's good, that is. Phew, I found it.
Just in time. I've been keeping them happy, but now we need to put on a show.
Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the amazing Coco and Rebecca. Whoa.
Let's play.
That was brilliant fun.
Oh, they love the plank trick. Turning around, you fucking down. Whoopsie daisy.
Oh, well, that's me done. I'm going to go for a rest.
They want us to do some more.
We haven't got anything else. We've done all our tricks.
We have to think of something. They're calling us back on. One more time then. Coco and Rebecca. I'll go out there and do something to make them laugh. You think of something and make it quick.
We've done all our tricks, but the audience want more. What are we going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Clowns will often play silly tricks with custard pies. Let's do that.
Hey! routine?
Yes, listen to them cheering.
I'm going to get cleaned up. You are a brilliant clown, Rebecca.
Oh, thanks, Coco. And so are you. Oh, it's great fun making people laugh.
Rebecca, the audience loved your tricks. This show will be the talk of the town. Maybe we'll have to close the circus after all.
I'm glad I could help, but I think I better be going.
Go? You can't go.
Can't I?
No, the show is only halfway through. You have to go at the end for the finale.
Finale?
Yes, the show always ends on one big last trick. The audience are expecting it. You do have one last big fantastic trick, don't you?
One big, last, fantastic trick? Of course. You just give me a moment. I've just got to...
That was great fun.
Coco, we have to do another trick. What? We need to do one last fantastic trick. If we don't, the audience will be disappointed, and then they won't tell their friends to come, and then the circus will close down, and everyone will lose their job, and panic. Oh, I know, I'll tell a joke. Why did the clown cross the road?
Rebecca, the audience are expecting a fantastic trick, not some rubbish joke you found in a cracker.
Oh, you're right, we're doomed. Oh, we haven't got one last fantastic trick. Oh, it's all over. Oh, hold on. I know what we can use to you. I knew this would come in handy.
What are you going to do with that?
Just you wait and see. Come on.
Let's play.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our final performance. It's Coco and Rebecca. Please be silent for our last trick. I present to you the flying clown. Drum roll, please. This sounds good.
We did it. They liked our final trick. Well done, Coco.
I had so much fun clowning around with you.
So did I. Give Wizzo my best. Hope he gets better soon.
Will do, Rebecca, and thank you, yeah?
Bye. Well, we did it. We helped to save the circus, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Instead of speaking, some clowns will act things out. They often make people laugh by pretending to trip up. And clowns will sometimes play silly tricks with custard pies to make the audience laugh. I guess it's time we went home.
Rebecca, the audience loved you. They loved the show. We're going to have a full house for a long time to come.
I'm glad I could help, but I guess it's time for me to go. Bye.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Let's play.
Come on, up you come. Up you come. Come on, go up.
Hey, Sid, what are you doing?
I was still trying to work out that trick that you said about lifting a coffee mug without touching it. How was it being a clown?
It was amazing. We saved the circus. Now, let me show you how to pick up that mug without touching it.
Okay.
All you need is a balloon and a balloon pump. Just blow it up like this. And you pump it up. Ta-da!
Very clever.
Playing clowns was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
I love playing firefighters. I use my hose like this to put out the fires. I love playing foxes and running really fast.
Playing Vikings are fun, and I get to blow in the horn like this. This is how I bounce the ball when I'm playing basketball.